Hey, what's up UHS Hardware fans? It's me, Louie, here today in front of the UHS headquarters with this 2022 Honda Accord. Brand new vehicle, fresh off the lot. We're gonna be getting an amazing opportunity to try it out with this Autel KM100. It's a brand new device, straight from Autel, a new solution for universal keys. We're gonna be using it with its combined wireless VCI that comes in the package with it. Rechargeable, easy to use, you plug it into the OBD, it charges, you charge it beforehand, update straight from the device, easy to connect, easy to use. I'm gonna show you all that right now, as well as how to program a key for this vehicle with the universal keys from Autel as well. All these came in the package here together, so it comes with two, making it easy to program two new keys for a vehicle right out of the box. Let's check it out, see how hard it is to do one of these, and how long it actually takes. Come on.
First step is to navigate to the second page of the menu, select Settings, then System Settings, and WLAN to connect Wi-Fi. Once it shows in the found signals, select your VCI to continue. Update the unit if one is available. Once you complete the generation, we can move right back into the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and get our VCI plugged into the OBD2 port. At this point, we definitely have our Wi-Fi and Bluetooth already connected as in the previous step. If not, go ahead and go back in and check that out. Locate your universal key and select Universal Key Programming on the KM100 unit. Locate your universal key, keep it on hand, and select Universal Key Programming on the KM100 unit. Enter the needed information to continue to key generation, or IMMO. You can use your preferred method to enter the information. Manual entry is easy enough, but you can also use the automatic VIN scan or plate scan, or if you actually plug in the VCI unit once you're already fully connected, it will automatically read the VIN. After that, select your year and your model if needed, and then choose from below the key that matches your job. Next, place the universal key into the coil and wait for it to be finished. Next, place the universal key into the coil, select Generate, and wait for it to be finished. If the key is not in the coil, it will error out. If you select OK before the key is in the coil, it will tell you. If you select OK before the key is in the coil, it will error out. Once ready, select Generate and wait for your key. I'm leaving this one in real time because I honestly am surprised at how incredibly fast this whole recording goes. It took me, I think exactly a minute to do this entire key, which I was not expecting. Usually it takes a little bit longer to generate a key, but this is pretty quick. Alright, so just like that, our key is generated, and we can continue on to the IMMO process. Just like that, our key is completed and ready to use. We can continue right to IMMO right here below. Once in, select push to start, confirm your vehicle information, and then choose hot function. Turn the ignition on to the accessory mode by pressing the start button 2 times. Once ready, press OK to begin. Select Add Key Guided, then select Start and follow the on-screen instructions. First, select Add Key Guided, then Start and follow the on-screen instructions. First, select Add Key Guided, then hit Start to start the process and follow the on-screen instructions. Agree that there are no error codes present on your dash and that you have one original remote. Agree that there are no error codes and that you have one original remote as well as a newly generated remote on hand. Select OK and turn off the vehicle, then place your new key outside as instructed. Turn the vehicle off and place your newly generated key. Turn the vehicle off and place a newly generated key outside the vehicle as instructed. With the original key on hand, press the start-stop button 2 times with no brake pressed in order to enter the accessory mode. With the original key still in the vehicle, press start and stop 2 times without pressing the brake to enter the accessory mode. From there, the machine will start to take off in an automatic fashion, going through all the steps, counting the keys, and next it'll prompt you to press yes and switch the original key with the universal key. Next, after you're prompted to press yes, go ahead and switch the positions of your original key and universal key, keeping your new one in the car and the original key outside, and then click yes to proceed. Just like that, you're ready. If you're finished adding keys, go ahead and select no and proceed to the remote testing. If you're finished adding keys, select no and proceed to the remote testing after you exit the system. That was programming successful. If you're finished, go ahead and select no to exit the system and get to remote testing. Follow the prompts to turn the ignition on and off. Once through this process, test your new and old remote functions and proximity start for both. Follow the prompts to turn your engine on and off to exit the system. Once through, test the new and old remote functions and proximity start. Remove the VCI from the remove your VCI from the OBD2 port and enjoy your fully functioning smart remote made in just a few minutes using the Autel KM100.
All right, so that was incredibly easy. Super simple to do. These keys that came with the Autel KM100, programmed it in like nothing. It was like no problem whatsoever. I generated that key in less than a minute, got it programmed in less than like 10 minutes or so. It probably was about 20 minutes altogether it took for me to do this. If that, that's with me recording everything and setting cameras up. So I gotta say, this is a fantastic device. I can't complain about this at all. I can't see a single thing issue-wise about it. It seems really intelligent, has all these extra features, all these special functions. This seems like a really great buy to come with that wireless VCI and some extra keys as well. That quick of programming, I can't see how you can go wrong with this. If you want to check out the Autel KM100 or any of these universal keys, they have multiple others as well. Check them out at uhs-hardware.com. We have anything you could possibly need for your security business right there. Also, make sure you're following along with all of our social media. We have everything below in the description. Lots of places you can follow us to find out all kinds of information. Check us out. Make sure you like this video as well as subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon as well right below. That's going to let you know every time a new video comes out what we're up to. We'll let you know, and we can all be in this together. Thank you again for checking out our content. Once again from UHS, I'm Louie. Thank you very much. Have a good one. We'll see you later.